What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. Thanks for tuning back in. So we're just gonna go off of this, so see what features it's got when you press the menu button. For here with connect, you obviously connect to your smartphone using a USB, and then you got the media here, which once you connect your phone, even Bluetooth, no thanks. You got the radio here, you got your phone system here. Once you use your Bluetooth, most likely, or if you connect it with the USB, volume button, audio on and off. So audio is off right now. You would go to, this is the back button right here, menu, where you'll find all the settings. So you got the Bluetooth settings, which has, let me just get a bit closer, which has connect new device, change device, priority device. So priority, probably nothing in there. So I feel like the priority on and off status is like which phone is more priority, like priority whichever phone. Like if you got two phones in this car right now at the same time with Bluetooth on, and you can prioritize which one you want on audio, which one you have on phone, so it connects with those phones. Back button right there. Going back one more time. So then you got the clock settings. So you have all this stuff for the clock settings. Great. Press the back button. Smartphone settings, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, you have that. And then RDS settings is on. Forgot RDS was, but I think when you have it has to do with radio system, I believe. When you play music and stuff, it shows you, if I'm correct, you could Google that too, RDS settings. Display adjustment. So you got the brightness, contrast, day and night difference. You can adjust it to however you like it. And display off, which means it just goes away. Press the back button, comes right back on. So it's daytime. Back. And then another one you have is touch panel sensitivity. It's normal, it's fine. Rear camera settings. Right here you got fixed guidelines and dynamic guidelines. All right, so we'll put it in reverse once. We'll see how it is. Language, license, and factory and data reset. So that's for that. That's it pretty much. So let's go ahead, put it in reverse and see how it looks. So there you have it, rear view camera. You got this one right here, a bit more narrow, and then it gets more narrower here. So that's that. This is more wide angle, so you can see from far away if somebody's walking by or a moving object. But if you're trying to see if you're gonna hit the back of the bumper with something, you could see from here. That's the bumper right here, and this is pretty much the line for safety. And then you got that curb right there, so you know if you're really close or on it or over it. I like this feature because this won't really tell you much, or this. So just like that, and put it back in neutral, and no thanks. And that's it, guys. It is a manual. Ton of space in here, and then you have the AC on and off by pressing the button here. You got the rear mirror in the back, the windshield here, right here for the front, and then for the back you got the inside circulation. Adjust temperature like that. For auto, you just push, and to take it off of auto, you just, where is it? To take it out of auto, yeah, you just switch this knob right here. You just adjust from here. Then the fan, this on and off, and the mode is here, so you gotta click, turn back or the counterclockwise or clockwise. So you can change the modes, whatever you want to vent air coming through, and that's about it. And you got the USB port right here. You got the cigarette lighter right here. And this is a passenger airbag system here. So when somebody sits with you on the passenger side, when this light goes off, that means the bag is activated for the passengers. And that's it, fam. So that's all. It's pretty basic in this. It is a sport model right now, this one, and this is the only one we got. So when the upcoming ones come in, I'll let you know. If you have any questions or anything like that, comment below, and I'll be happy to answer them if I can, and appreciate the support. So till next time, peace out, fam.